Hallo zusammen, ich bin Eva und ich bin hier, um euch mit eurem Englisch zu helfen. Werft einen Blick auf englishwitheva.com, wählt eure Sprache und fangt an. Für alle YouTube-Videos geht zu den Einstellungen und wählt eure Untertitel aus. Wir können es auf jeden Fall gemeinsam tun. Ich freue mich auf euch. Und jetzt, schaltet eure Untertitel ein.
That was a little bit of robotic introduction. Please forgive me, but I don't speak 7 languages, so I had to use a computer assistant which helped me with the pronunciation and translation. Most of all, I would love to help you with English. It's not easy to learn a foreign language if you're not exposed to it, if you're not surrounded by the language. If you imagine a baby, and that baby can listen to English 1 hour per week. This is usually what you have, like 1 English lesson per week or 2 English lessons per week in an English course. That baby would start speaking maybe in 10 years, and it's the same with you. Try to learn English every day, let's say at least 1 hour. I would love to help you, so go to englishwitheva.com and try to go through the course. And if you manage at least 5 lessons, you will see the progress. You may have been planning changes in your life for a long time, and English is just one of them. Maybe you want to quit sugar and eat more vegetables. Maybe you want to drink more water. Maybe you want to start working out. The most important thing is to get started. It's all up to you.